Here we have a circular sheet of metal whose density is rho of r equals r, grams per centimeter squared. And we know the circumference of the ring is 12 pi, and we're supposed to find the mass of the ring. So first, let's think about what does this mean here, or what does this mean right there? That rho of r equals r. All right, so what that's saying is that if we were to go, let's say if we were to go out, if we made our radius equal to 3. Let's say we made our radius equal to 3. What that would mean is that the density along this ring here, this ring of radius 3 around the center there, that ring, everything along that outer edge of the ring, this point here, all these points along the edge of this ring, right, would have density 3 grams per centimeter squared. If we went out a distance of 4, or maybe that looks more like 5, let's say that's more like 5. If we went out a distance of 5, then everything along this blue ring here would have density 5. That's what it's saying there. All right, so from the notes and learning goals, we know that dA is 2 pi r dr, where r is the radius. So, and we also know that dm is rho of r dA. So that tells us that dm is rho of r, in our case r, times dA, which is 2 pi r dr. Now simplifying that a little bit, let's put the 2 pi there since that's a constant. Put these two r's together, that gives you r squared dr. So you know that dm, d mass, is 2 pi r squared dr. And so then the mass of our ring is 2 pi r squared dr. Now we need to tell the integral where to start and where to stop. So we're ranging over all radii. So we're going around that. There's that one, there's that one, there's that one, right? There's all these different radii, and we're ranging out through to the edge. So we're going to start at radius r equals 0. And then where do we stop? Right, that's the question, where do we stop? Now, notice that we're given the circumference is 12 pi. So the circumference is 12 pi. We know that circumference equals 2 pi r. So that tells us that 12 pi is equal to 2 pi r, and that the outer radius, this radius all the way to the edge, is 6. So we're going to go from 0 to 6. And so we're ranging over all radii from radius 0 to radius 6. So this gives us 2 pi r cubed over 3 from 0 to 6. Doing the math here, we get 452.4 grams. And that's our mass.